it's me, Nika, and today we're playing Rainforest Tower. Yay! So yeah, let's go. And today, there's other different towers. Hooray! And yes, we're going to enter this tower. So yes, all right, we're here in this tower. Whoa! All right, let's go. This is not that hard that much, I I think I will succeed right over at the top. So yes, and I will be looking forward to more games like these. So yes, and yeah, so we're just going to complete this tower without raging. Yes, without raging. Oh, oh, what the freak? Oh, there you go. Alright, so for start off, it's pretty easy. So I hope I don't rage quickly. Yes, because I have anger issues. That's why probably I might rage quickly. Oh. Yeah. This is kind of pretty easy for a while. So yeah. Um. So for start, okay. This is gonna take a decade or something, but it's alright. Um, oh, good thing I didn't go right off over there. So yes. Hmm. So probably in the next video I will play Hello Kitty Cafe. Yeah. Next video we're going to play Hello Kitty Cafe. Yeah, so I hope I don't fall. Oh my gosh. This is It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Okay, I can complete this tower without raging and suffering, but I'm already suffering right now. So yes. Hmm. Oh. There you go. Right now, I'm just completing this tower without raging. Because if I rage, this will be harder, it looks like. Yes. So, I sound a little bit sick because I have a cough. Which is, yeah, I do. Right now. Oh no, it's this part again. Well, why is it like that? Why is my freaking oh, alright. What is that noise? What is that noise? That's kind of weird. Alright. Ooh, it's like an elevator. Well, it is. So, yeah. This is okay. This is not bad, alright. Not bad. After all, we're completing this nice and good. Which one is real or which one is not? Alright. This one's real. Alright. This one's real. Alright. Yes, we're kind of like almost there, but not really. So we need to complete this tower fast and furious. So yes, I don't know why I said that, but yeah. Oh, freak, I'm so... Alright, so we're completing this. Alright, what is this? What are these? Oh, they disappear. Oh. Oh, they disappear. Oh. Wow. Oh, right now we're in a bridge. Yes, we're in the bridge. In a healthy wave bridge. I don't know why I said that, but yeah. Ooh. Does it kill me? Oh, no it doesn't. Alright. Right now I'm alright. Whoop! So, yeah, we're right now here. Ooh! Whee! Yes. We're almost there. We're not that almost. They're just almost. But you know what you know. Alright. This has come pretty well. Nothing has gone. Alright. Nothing has gone. Nothing has gone wrong. Oh no, not this part again. Oh my gosh. I'm done. Please don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. I'm not a pro at this one. Cause I always usually fall. So yes, but I haven't played this game. I haven't played this game. I haven't played this game yet, so. We're starting off pretty well, alright. Oh, oh! I almost fell out there. Oh my gosh. But it's alright. Let's just hope that I do not fall at the very beginning, because if I do, I will suffer. Alright. Right now we're doing good. Alright. Nothing should come on my way because I'm very special. Even though I'm not that special. I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, finally. Woo! This is like an elevator but without metal or something. I don't know. Yep, we're almost there at the finish line. Hooray! Oh, these don't kill you? Oh. Alright, this game is pretty easy. Pretty fun. Alright. I don't know what I'm talking about while I'm doing this hobby. But it's fine. It's kind of fine. Alright, we're finishing. OMG. Finally, we're finishing the game. We're finishing the game. Finally, I don't have to suffer. I don't have to suffer going at the very beginning. Do these gone? Oh, they don't disappear. Alright. Finally, we're in the finish line. Yay! Look, it says congratulations. Yay! And y'all, thank you for watching this video. And I hope I will see you next time. Bye-bye!